5 tips for successfully growing lemons indoors. Lemons are a versatile and flavorful addition to any home garden, and with a little bit of care, it's easy to grow them indoors. Lemons are a type of citrus fruit that are prized for their tart flavor and high levels of vitamin C. They are native to Asia, but are now grown in many warm, temperate climates around the world. In addition to being a popular ingredient in cooking and beverages, lemons have a number of other uses. The juice of lemons can be used as a natural cleaning agent, and the peel can be used to make lemon zest, which is a flavorful addition to many dishes. Lemons are also used in a variety of beauty and personal care products due to their astringent properties and pleasant scent. Here are some tips to help you successfully cultivate lemon trees indoors. Choose the right lemon tree. There are several varieties of lemon trees that are well suited to indoor growing, including manure and ponderosa. Make sure to select a tree that is suitable for the size of your space and has good reviews from other growers. Provide plenty of sunlight. Lemon trees need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day, so choose a sunny spot near a south or west-facing window. If you don't have a sunny spot, you can also use grow lights to provide the necessary light. Water regularly. Keep the soil evenly moist, but be careful not to overwater. Let the top inch or 2 of soil dry out before watering again. Fertilize regularly. Feed your lemon tree with a balanced fertilizer every month during the growing season, spring through fall. Prune regularly. Prune your lemon tree to remove any dead or damaged branches and to maintain its shape. This will encourage new growth and keep the tree healthy. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to harvesting your own homegrown lemons in no time. In conclusion, lemons are a popular and flavorful fruit that can easily be grown indoors with the right care. By providing plenty of sunlight, watering regularly, fertilizing monthly during the growing season, and pruning regularly, you can successfully cultivate your own lemon tree and enjoy the benefits of homegrown lemons. Whether you use them for cooking, cleaning, or personal care, lemons are a versatile and useful addition to any home.